I was hiding in the shadows, hands stained, heart so tired. Every secret felt like shackles, every failure set on fire. I kept trying to be worthy, kept on earning what I'd lost, till I stumbled to your altar and my shame met your cross. Your mercy found me in pieces on the ground. Your mercy spoke my name and pulled me out. I didn't earn it, I couldn't pay that price of love. Your mercy reached lower than my fall and lifted me up. I remember how you saw me, eyes kind, arms open wide. You were laughing at my ledger, said, child, I paid it all in blood and time. You took every heavy sentence, you wrote my broken past. Now my story sings of freedom, every chain undone at last. Oh, your mercy found me in pieces on the ground. Your mercy spoke my name and pulled me out. I didn't earn it, I couldn't pay that price of love. Your mercy reached lower than my fall and lifted me up. I was guilty, now I'm chosen. Hallelujah. I was empty, now I'm overflowing. From the ashes to your glory, oh, your kindness is my story. I will praise you in the morning, I will praise you through the night, 'cause your mercy is my freedom. Your mercy is my life. Your mercy found me in pieces on the ground. Your mercy spoke my name and pulled me out. I didn't earn it, I couldn't pay that price of love. Your mercy reached lower than my fall and lifted me up. Your mercy washed every stain I tried to hide. Your mercy turned my mourning into life. I didn't earn it, but still you poured that endless love. Your mercy, forever you are good, forever enough. If I have breath,
I will sing.
if I